Hello, my friends.
Welcome to the Clean and Slow English podcast. Today's episode is a little different. It's just you and me. We will talk about how to truly change your life. Not with one big decision, but with small, consistent steps. Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, why do some people completely transform their lives while others stay stuck? The truth is, it's rarely luck. It's about small daily habits that quietly build momentum. Today, I will guide you through 4 key ideas. How to start. How to keep going. How to manage your mindset. And real examples that prove it works. At the end, I will share a small challenge you can start right away. Because real change always starts with action. Part 1. Starting small. Every journey begins with one step. But most people wait for that step to be big, dramatic, or perfect. The real secret? Start from the smallest possible action. Begin with just one small daily act. Read a short paragraph. Learn one new word. Walk for 5 minutes. Or write one line in your journal. Don't wait for motivation. It comes after action, not before. Example: a young woman named Lena wanted to improve her English, but she didn't have much time. So, she decided to read one short English sentence every morning while drinking her coffee. At first, it felt too simple, almost useless. But after a few weeks, she started to remember new words without even trying. After 3 months, she could understand short English posts online. All because of a tiny daily habit. Part 2. Staying consistent and improving. Starting is easy. Staying consistent is the real challenge. Remember this rule. Improving by just 1% every day can make you 37 times better in 1 year. Focus on progress, not perfection. Once your small habit becomes stable, ask yourself, how can I make it slightly better? For example, 1. Add a little more time, from 5 to 7 minutes. 2. Add variety. Try listening instead of reading. 3. Combine habits. Listen to English while having your morning tea. And don't try to change everything at once. Stick to one small habit until it feels natural. Part 3. Mindset. Without a positive way of thinking, habits fall apart quickly. Understand the difference between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. A fixed mindset says, I will never be good at this. A growth mindset says, I'm learning, I'm getting better. Your brain looks for proof of what you believe. If you say, I can't, your brain finds evidence. If you say, I'm improving, your brain finds progress. Use affirmations and visualization. Say to yourself, I'm improving day by day. Every morning, visualize yourself completing your small goal successfully. And don't forget gratitude. Focusing on what's going well trains your mind to see opportunities instead of problems. Practical challenge. Take a deep breath. Think of one small habit you can start today. Something that takes less than 5 minutes. Write it down. Choose a simple trigger. After brushing my teeth, or before checking my phone, or after lunch. Then just do it. Today, not tomorrow. Conclusion. So here's the truth. Real change doesn't happen through one big jump. It happens through small, steady steps. Start small. Keep going. Learn from examples that inspire you. If this helped you, share it with a friend. Someone who needs to hear that change starts today. See you in the next episode of the Slow English Podcast. And remember, every small step counts.